What is the part's name? The song of song. We have completed the part, and in the part there are three main roles. What are the three main roles? Akbar, Tansen, and Sant Haridas. Huh. There are some activities we have completed, and at page number, what is the page number? 64. And now she is going to complete the activity. And what is the activity? Point number 11. Read aloud. Read. In the class. Come on here. We are going to complete the activity 11. Collect any 5 stories of Akbar and Birbal. Write oblique present any one of them in the class. So, she is going to complete the activity in front of the class. Now, start your story.
The title The Stolen Ring. One day Akbar lost one of his most precious ring. That ring was given to him by his queen. The queen was very upset when she heard that Akbar said lost the ring that she had given him, and Akbar could not stand seeing his queen so upset. The next morning, Akbar called one of his most trusted advisor, Birbal, to the court and said, Birbal, I have lost one of my most precious ring. It is my order that you should find the ring before the sunset of East. You will have to resign from the post of our advisor. Birbal was worried. After a few minutes, he replied, Our Majesty, I think our ring was stolen and the thief is still in the court among us. Who is ever has come has stuck to their bird? Must be the chief, Our Majesty. After hearing this, all couriers started looking at other birds with suspicion. One of the couriers was healthy, hastily trying to clean his bed. Birbal quickly noticed the courtier who was cleaning his bed and ordered guard arrest and his man. He was stolen an emperor precious ring. The guard quickly freed the man and found the emperor's ring. Akbar was very happy to get his ring back. Akbar asked Birbal, what is the secret behind this trick? Or is it some magical thing? Birbal laughed and replied, Sorry to disappointed you, Our Majesty. This is not a magic trick. It's just that a guilty person always fear getting hurt. This is way we call it hay in the chef beard.
By this way, she has completed the activity. And what is the part's name? Song of song. And she has completed the activity. She at home she search or collect the story, and by the procedure of our part she has read the story in front of the class. There are so many interesting stories of Akbar and Birbal, and we are going to collect and we are submit in front of the class. Okay.